What's up, this is EasyOSX, and today I'm making this quick video about how to charge the Apple TV remote. This is something that I've gotten a few questions about from my Everything You Need to Know About the Apple TV Remote video, so check that out if you haven't already. So to charge it, it's fairly simple. At the bottom of the remote, you'll see this little port, and that's the Lightning port. It's the same one you see on the iPhone and the non-Pro iPads. The Apple TV comes with a Lightning cable in the box, but any existing Lightning cables that you have will also work. Plug the Lightning end of it into the port here, then plug the USB end into a USB port either on another machine or an outlet adapter like the one you would use with your phone. And that's pretty much it. Now the remote itself won't indicate that it's charging, but on the Apple TV screen you'll see a pop-up in the top right hand corner that indicates that the remote is charging. You can check the charge level as well as get other remote information by going to the Settings app, hitting Remotes and Devices toward the center of the screen, then hitting Remote. This will give you the serial number, firmware version, and the charge level of your remote. And that's pretty much it. A quick video this week, but hopefully fills in a gap from a previous video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, if it helped you out, give it a like. And if you want more Mac and iOS tips, tricks, and advice, you can subscribe to the channel. You can also check us out on the website, EasyOSX.net, as well as on social media. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time.